Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video I'm going to let you know that how you can set up free Microsoft Office 365 2025 latest Microsoft Office without any download. No need to download any Office, no need to set up it, no need of installation, absolutely free, no crack, no subscription, everything is genuine and legal. So let's start. So first of all, in order to get a free genuine Microsoft Office 365 along with all functionalities and add-ons, you need to go onto the Chrome browser and type simply office.com. Once you type the office.com, then you have to click onto the sign in. Once you sign in, then you have to sign in through your Microsoft account. No need to purchase anything, just create a simple free account over the Hotmail, your personal account. You can, if you already have your account, you can do it. You can log in it by using your personal account, that is already done. But if you don't have any Microsoft account, you can just go onto the hotmail.com and just create a free personal email account and just put it over there and sign in and give the password, and you will have this sort of dashboard. So once you sign in, then you will have this dashboard. You can see that absolutely free. Just I have logged in through my Hotmail email ID, normal Hotmail email ID. You can see that all the apps, Word, Microsoft, OneDrive, Outlook, each and everything is available over here, absolutely free. For further clarity, you have to click onto the apps. Once you click onto the apps, you can see that OneDrive, Word, Excel, each and everything is available, and these apps of Microsoft contains complete functionality as your desktop version does. So no need of any certification, no need to purchase anything, no need to install anything, just open it and use it. And you can also install, if you want to use this app as a local on your system, so you can also deploy that. I'm going to tell you right now. So let's say, for example, we are going to open the Excel in front of you. Once we click onto the Excel, it will be open instantly in front of you. Then we have to create, we have already a lot of template as usually does into the remote version, into the desktop version, local version or desktop version. Similarly, all the functionalities are available here and you can avail the benefits. So you have to just, I'm going to, because I'm doing I'm giving you a demo, so just I'm going to click onto the create blank workbook. Once you create it, once you click on that, you will see that the same Excel will be appear in front of you, and it contains all the functionalities as the normal Excel of desktop version does. So this is more upgraded, most upgraded version 2025, and no need of any license, so you can use it as much as you want. So you can see that all the functionalities are here, all the options are same, and most importantly, it also offers you add-ons. So you can integrate like ChatGPT, like other AI assistant here, and you can obviously use AI agents into your worksheet in order to build it. So this is our cloud-based version. I have just opened the Excel in front of you. This Excel offers complete functionality. So if you can see that if you want to apply the VLOOKUP formula or any formula, plus minus, HLOOKUP, whatever, if else condition, whatever, each and everything can be done over this Excel. So everything is fantastic. So now, but if you want to use this Excel as a local on your system, so because you don't want to log in every time your email ID, and you still want, because you are habitual for the desktop version, so you can also deploy this app within a seconds on your desktop computer. And just in order to do so, you have to click onto the double dot, then you have to scroll down it, then you will have an option of cast, save and share. Once you have an option, then you have to choose option install page as app. Once you click it, you have to click onto the install, and you will see that it will be installed within a second, and it has been installed right now, and now you are on the desktop version. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to open it in front of you. You can see that genuine actual icon on your desktop is available. Once I double click on it, you can see that we have our desktop version within a seconds, and I have to click onto the create blank format. Once I click on that, you can see that Excel is available here. So now you have the desktop version as well within a seconds if you want to use onto your computer, so it would be great. Second thing is that your storage will be utilized of OneDrive, means whatever file you will create or save, that will be stored on your OneDrive, because Microsoft will give you and give 5 GB to every user absolutely free. So 5 GB space is more than enough for the, especially for the documents. So your data is completely safe and secure. Your all the storage will be placed onto the OneDrive. If you want to export any document or download any document, you have to just click onto the file and then export as PDF, or you can download into your desired or required format. So this technique is a fantastic technique and one of the finest technique through which you can use latest Office Microsoft 365. No need of any tension, you no need to take any tension of Office upgrade, license. Each and everything is available absolutely free, so you can use as much as possible. Secondly, this dashboard is awesome. If you want to use your OneDrive, you have to just click onto the OneDrive. Like Gmail, your OneDrive will be opened. You can click onto the My Files and you can upload as much as data possible. So each and everything is available at your hand, and you can use each and everything as per your requirement. So you can see that the OneDrive is also available here, so we can use as much as possible, and we can use as per our requirement, obviously. So this is our OneDrive option. So you can see that we can save our data and we can access our Google Sheet, our data, or we can directly download the data, or we can directly share the data to any of our friends as well. So it also help out you, it also enhance your collaboration between the colleagues and between the friends. So it is a fantastic. So you have all the applications are here: Team available, Excel available, PowerPoint. I just did it in front of you for the Excel. Through the same way forward, you can deploy the PowerPoint, you can deploy the Word file, you can deploy any one of the tool, any one of the Microsoft 365 app on your computer. So it is absolutely free, and always use genuine Office. Stay safe and prevent your data, and kindly forward. I hope that you like this video, and kindly forward to your family and friends as much as possible. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you guys. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Kindly like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.